There is a storm raging in the dark, cold vacuum of our solar system. It has no eye. It has no ocean to feed it. And it has no end. This is the Great Red Spot, a high-pressure anticyclone that has been tearing through Jupiter's atmosphere since before the United States existed. To understand its power, you must first understand its scale. If you were to drop the Earth into this storm, our entire planet would be swallowed whole, with room to spare. Let's dive inside. As you approach the outer bands of the storm, the sky turns a bruised, rusted red. You are instantly hit by peripheral winds, howling at 430 miles per hour. This is more than double the speed of a Category 5 hurricane on Earth. The atmospheric friction alone would tear any modern spacecraft to shreds. But the winds are just the perimeter guard. The real danger lies in the dark. For centuries, astronomers thought the Great Red Spot was just a surface feature, a stain on the clouds. But data from the Juno spacecraft revealed a terrifying reality. This storm has roots. It plunges over 300 miles deep into Jupiter's atmosphere. If placed on Earth, it would scrape the bottom of the ocean and reach the International Space Station. Down here, the pressure begins to crush atoms, and the friction generates superbolts. Lightning strikes 1,000 times more powerful than anything on Earth. How does a storm survive for over 300 years without dying out? It survives by feeding. The Great Red Spot is an apex predator. It is a cannibal storm. Whenever smaller storms drift too close, the red spot's massive gravitational and atmospheric pull drags them in. It shreds them, absorbs their momentum, and consumes their energy to keep itself alive. But even the greatest titans eventually fall. In the late 1800s, the storm was wide enough to fit 3 Earths. Today, it has shrunk. It is becoming taller but narrower. The winds are spinning faster, like an ice skater pulling their arms in. Will it dissipate in our lifetimes, or will it break apart into a dozen smaller violent storms? Only time will tell. But for now, the King of Storms continues to rage in the dark. Subscribe to Cosmic Enigma.